So today I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on your Windows. So first go to XAMPP's website. Here click on the first search result, and then here you can see the selections for your operating system. So I'm just gonna choose Windows, and then here you can, if you need to download the previous version of the PHP, you can see it from here. So I'm just gonna download for Windows here. I'm gonna go back. So this is the latest version. So here, just to download the file, just click keep. I have already downloaded files. I'm gonna cancel the download, and I'm gonna show you the file here. So this is the file. It's about 123 MB. So I'm just gonna run this. So there will be a warning here. Just ignore this and click OK. And then welcome to setup. Click next. Keep them on default. So here I've already downloaded the XAMPP and installed. I've already installed it. So here's the folder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new folder. Let's name it websites. So in this folder, I'm gonna install a new XAMPP. So I'm gonna go back to the installation. So I'm gonna select the websites folder. Okay, next. Uncheck this, then click next, next. So it's installing now. This may take some time, maybe 10 minutes. So I'm gonna fast forward this so that we can save some time. So it's almost complete, and the installation is finished. Do you want to start cPanel now? Yes. So click finish. Select your language, English, save. So from here you can run the Apache and the MySQL. If this is the first time you install the XAMPP, there will be a pop-up here. What you're gonna do is just click allow access for both Apache and MySQL. There will be two pop-up, so just click allow access for both of them. So the setup is finished. Here, let's run some tests here. Let's go to the localhost. Here you can see the dashboard of the XAMPP. Let's create a folder inside the htdocs of this new XAMPP. So we're gonna go to the websites folder, htdocs folder, and then here you can create a new folder. I'm gonna name this test. So I have an HTML here. There's nothing really inside his, so let's just copy this to the test folder that we created, and websites, test folder, and then paste it here. So let's reload, and then here it works. So that's it. That's how you install the XAMPP on your Windows. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.